The tech world is buzzing with excitement as we dive into the latest leaks and rumors surrounding the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. This is the smartphone that could redefine premium mobile technology, and we've got all the details to keep you hooked till the end. So, what's the real story behind the leaks, the rumored features, and why this device could change everything? Stay with us because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why the Galaxy S25 Ultra might just be your next upgrade. Let's kick things off with the first big leak. A hands-on video of the Galaxy S25 Ultra surfaced online, sparking debates and excitement across tech forums. Initially posted on Reddit, the video shows what appears to be a working prototype of the device. While some assumed it to be the Galaxy S24 Ultra, renowned tipsters like Ice Universe quickly clarified that it's indeed the Galaxy S25 Ultra. What caught everyone's attention is the subtle yet striking design change. Unlike its predecessor's sharp edges, the S25 Ultra sports rounded corners and a sleek metallic finish that screams sophistication. The design overhaul doesn't stop there. The rear camera setup, a signature feature of Samsung's Ultra series, is back, but with a twist. Previous leaks suggested concentric camera rings inspired by the Galaxy Z Fold 6, but the latest video shows a more minimalist approach, blending seamlessly into the body. These aesthetic upgrades align perfectly with Samsung's new One UI 7, which emphasizes smooth, rounded design elements for a cohesive user experience. But let's talk about performance, because that's where the Galaxy S25 Ultra truly shines. Samsung has confirmed that the entire Galaxy S25 series will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset across all markets, leaving behind its problematic Exynos chips. Early benchmarks show promising results, particularly for power users and gamers who demand top-tier performance. This means faster app launches, seamless multitasking, and unparalleled gaming experience. And that's not all. Samsung is reportedly working with OpenAI to integrate ChatGPT-powered AI features directly into its Galaxy S25 lineup. Imagine your phone learning from your habits, predicting your needs, and offering tailored solutions in real time. This level of integration could make the S25 Ultra not just a smartphone, but an intelligent companion that enhances your daily life. Now, what about the display? The Galaxy S25 Ultra retains its iconic boxy look, but with an almost flat screen and a slight curve at the edges. This design choice ensures a comfortable grip while maintaining an expansive viewing experience. Whether you're binge watching your favorite series or editing high-res photos, the vibrant and near-flat display is bound to impress. As we gear up for the January 2025 launch, Samsung's marketing machine is already in full swing. Reports suggest a major pre-order promotion offering a storage upgrade. Buy the 256GB model, and you might get the 512GB version at no extra cost. Add to that the possibility of competitive pricing similar to the Galaxy S24 series, and you have a deal that's hard to resist. But the innovation doesn't end with hardware. Samsung is also rumored to include satellite connectivity in the Galaxy S25 series, ensuring you're never out of touch, even in remote areas. This could be a game changer for adventurers and travelers, putting Samsung head-to-head with Apple's emergency satellite features. So, is the Galaxy S25 Ultra the ultimate smartphone of 2025? With its refreshed design, cutting-edge performance, and a blend of practical and futuristic features, it's shaping up to be a worthy contender. But here's the million-dollar question. Will you be upgrading to the Galaxy S25 Ultra, or are you waiting to see how it stacks up against the competition? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And before you go, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates on the Galaxy S25 Ultra and beyond. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.